And there's this little process that I do from him. And he said, look, if you're going through anything in your life and you can't figure it out, you don't know how to resolve this, you write down 10 things you're grateful for, because gratitude plugs you into source. So write down 10 things you're grateful for. Then write down 3 people that you want to send love to, like 3 people you want to send love to. And then just spend 5 minutes in silence. Just try and go pretty blank, focus on your breath, and let the process work for you. So I do it. And big business people have done this, and he's like, the results are phenomenal, and they really are. Like when I'm struggling with something, it gets sorted out in a beautiful way somehow. So that's a little process that I do. Prayer is something that I really never used to do before, because, as I said, I grew up in a religious home, and I just hated a lot of that because I was forced to do that sort of stuff. But for me, it never really resonated in that way. So in the last 2.5 years, I've just realized that I wasn't asking for stuff. I wasn't asking. So now I pray for what I want. So I'm focused on that. And then I hand it over and I just ask, look, if there's anything I need to be doing, or not doing for this to happen, show me the way.